Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to download a font onto your Windows laptop and then for it to appear in Cricut Design Space, as this question is asked quite a lot, especially now there are lots of people that have just got new machines. So I am on fontbundles.net in the free font area. There are lots to choose from, but for today I've chosen this one called Breakfast. Okay, so you go on there, download free now. I obviously have signed up, I have an account with them, so you will have to do that, but it is free, so I wouldn't worry about that. Right now I'll go into my downloads, double click on there, and I have two. There's this one, which is the open type font file, and the distressed version. I've already got them downloaded onto my laptop, but all you do is you double click and then you click install. As it says, I've already installed it, but I'll reinstall, and that's now installed onto my laptop. Do the same for the distressed, double click, click install up here, then that will also be installed onto your computer. Then you go into your Cricut Design Space. Please make sure that your Cricut Design Space wasn't open already. If it was, quit and then reopen it, because otherwise it won't show up. Right, so mine's now loading. I'll make the screen bigger. New project. Okay, we'll go to text, and then where it says font, you want to click on system, and then if you know the name of the font that you just downloaded, just type it in. Mine was called Breakfast. As you can see, there's the breakfast one and the distressed one. Click on that. Let's just go down a minute. You can obviously move and then type in your word, and then letter space here brings them closer together, and you can keep pressing that. If it doesn't quite do it as well as you would like, then you can always ungroup them and then manually move them, or you can even use your arrows on your laptop to move them left to right, but that doesn't move them small spaces. And then once you've done all that, you can just regroup them all like so. And then if you're cutting this out in Final, first of all zoom right in to make sure that they are all joined up together. That could probably move a bit closer, as that could, but then you just click weld, and then that will cut all as one piece, as long as there's no little gaps. That will all be cut out, and there you have it. Your font is installed on your computer and now in Design Space. I hope this has been very helpful for you. I will of course upload more videos. If you need any help, obviously feel free to message me. Please give me a thumbs up if you did enjoy this video, and I hope to see you again soon. Thank you very much. Bye!